today's video, we're going to check out direct messaging, the direct messaging feature of JChatSocial. We've looked at JChatSocial a couple of times, but I just discovered, I think, this direct messaging component to it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Let me just double check my sound here. Yeah, I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Watch Me Work live stream number 292 here on the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them, all sorts of stuff. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for your site. And while you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And so if you subscribe, use the coupon code basicjoomla.com to get a first month free, which you do anyways, I think. But what the heck? Why not use a coupon if you've got one? All right. Hello, everybody. Slightly late today because I was having a disagreement with AI, which of course means right now I win those disagreements. But I was creating some keywords for this live stream, and I said, please limit it to 500 characters, and it kept giving me 1,100. And anyways, got that sorted out. All right. Hello, everyone. Hello in chat to Bjorn and to Ivor. I do not, my picture seems to be a bit faded today, and I don't know why that is, but I really need to work on my camera quality for live streams. So I don't know. Who knows? Something has changed. All right, picture for today. Let's check it out. Let's go to here, and I will turn off my webcam, and you will see that just over a week ago, I went to the local butterfly gardens, and this is a picture of a butterfly that I took that was on one of the walls there. Ivor says, "Yeah, don't be angry with AI; it could take away my business." Yeah, maybe. But then maybe it'll just pay me a living wage. Anyways, yeah. So Butterfly World. I don't know if you have Butterfly World in the parts of the world where you are, but there are places, very warm, humid places where you can go, and there's plants and butterflies, and they're all different stages, and they just fly around. And ours has some parrots in it, and a flamingo, and a bunch of things. And so this is probably one of the better pictures I got. I took a lot of portrait-oriented pictures, but this is a landscape, and yeah, it was kind of nice. Yes, Bjorn reminds us summer is coming. Okay, so that brings me back here, and you know what? It might actually be the. No, I was thinking that might be the background removal that is making me kind of faded, but who knows? All right, well, let's turn our attention to the screen, and here we are. Change my glasses. So the background for this is that I have a client who is, see if I get up close. No, I don't know what it is. I have a client who is doing a really great job setting up their site to have chat on their site using JChatSocial, and they have it tied into Community Builder, and which is pretty cool. They're trying to get direct messaging set up, and as I was in contact with John Dagamore about just how that works on here, I realized that we probably haven't looked at that. So I want to explore this just so I can support my client better. I've sort of been learning along the way with him. Hello, Derek and Rudiger. Good to see you. Derek is in Ontario, it's the province I grew up in, Canada. Derek, my parents are in Aurelia, and there's an ice storm there recently, everybody, and my parents have not had electricity since last Friday night. So, and they might not get it back until Friday. So it's been a tough time for them. Okay, so anyways, I thought I would look at this today. JChatSocial. Let me put this link in the chat itself here. And then we'll just go into this Joomla 5 site that I've been beating up, and we're going to install it here. Okay, so we'll go to System, Install Extensions, and let's just browse. And let's go to my Joomla 4 folder, which I think this is where I've got it. And we go down to Store Today. And I think I just downloaded, yeah, oh no, that's old. JChatSocial Enterprise. There we go. Install that. We've looked at this a couple of times in the past. And we'll do a quick setup here of it. Go to Components, JChatSocial. And I don't see here. Does it automatically start here? Yeah, here we have down in the bottom right behind me, we have click here to start the chat now. And what my client wanted was the ability to for people to just go on here and send a private message. However, in chat here, in JChatSocial, it only shows people that are online inside, that are still online within a period of time. I can show you where the setting is for that. If we go to configuration and preferences, so as the because this is running a script on people's browsers, I suppose. So 30 seconds. If someone's not active within 30 seconds, they don't appear in the online list for the chat. And you can change this to different periods of time, or even use the Joomla session timeout. And so one thing that John suggested was you can max out this time to have that people are online to show for sending the messages. Or he directed me to the direct messaging aspect. And so that's what we'll look at here. But why don't we just change this to an hour for now? All right. So the direct messaging is not really something that is on right now as part of this here. Although there we see a bunch of people are there. That's all of you that are checking in there. I'll give you the URL for that as well if you want to come on and see and chat. It is accessed through a menu item. So let's go to menus. We have our main menu. I don't know, is this our main menu here? No, that's not the main menu. It's got this one up here. Main menu blog. That's the big one. Yeah. So we're going to make a new menu item. And that is of the type JChatSocial and private messaging. And we're going to just go save and refresh. And here's our link private message. So let's see what we get into here. Private message. You must be logged in to use private messaging. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? All right. And we got a lot of this public chat stuff here. There's probably some settings to close this automatically here yet. So let's log in. And I'm going to have to turn off some of these things on this home page because it's pretty cluttered. And we're going to log in. Let's just do that from the beginning here. We'll duplicate this tab. And I'll wait for the hamsters here. I think these JMP things will take off here and switch editor. So let's close this. Don't know why this is slow, but that's odd. Is it my computer? I don't know. Let's see. Let's go to YouTube. Oh yeah, this is not super fast here. All right. Well, let me just check outside. I'm going to go to my server here. Which one is this? Let's see what might be going on. Sorry about this. The load does not seem to be that high, but what I will do is this. I'm going to kill all the processes for basic Joomla. And see what is going on here. Very peculiar. Just looking at the loads on my computer, I can show you this here. Load seems to be fine here. Let's go and look at Moonin. Check on the server here. It's a little spiky right there, but this isn't absolutely real time. So I wonder what is the case here. Oh boy. Maybe I can do this somewhere else to see. Does this say come up fast? That came up fast. That a try. That's on the same server. All right, so I wonder if the issue here hard to say. Huh. Well. Well, I wonder if this has to do with the load because of scripts. Let's see. I'm going to try killing this process again. Well, let's close out of this and try again. Basic Joomla. Let's try basic Joomla site. Yeah, that came up fast. There, that came up fast. And that came up fast. And I'm still logged in. Well, who knows what was going on there. All right. Well, now this looks like this is the private message button here. Let's see. Let's close this and we'll go private message. And it opened up. Oh, and here's the private message down here. Search no users. All right, I guess it needs to be some users that are on here as well. So, all right, so first of all, let's go to content and site modules. And let's sort by order. And let's unpublish a few things here. Facebook Messenger chat, JMP News ticker, we'll take that off. Bunch of things that we have in age verification, Flexi custom code. All right, we'll unpublish. And let's go. All right, so that ends, we end up back here. Now, what do we have for, maybe just let me switch this here to this screen here, just so I want to see what we have for users on here, if there's any email addresses. Oh, there's only one user on here, so that is why. All right, so let's go back to here on the corner. Okay, so I want to add a user here, Tim1, and we'll just password in there, Bitwarden, generate password, Control V, Tim1 at cybersalt.com. All right, we'll save Tim1. And now we'll go save and new, and let's go Tim2. Use the same password. Tim2 at cybersalt.com. Down to 14 emails in my inbox, by the way. Bjorn is Baffett. All right, save and close. This is Baffett. There we go. There we go. Now, I close this. Now, let's refresh. Oh, okay. And there we go. We have a list of everyone on the site. Now, this is set up only to show for, you have to be logged in. So I can click here. Let's close. The chat window is overlapping the menu and page. Oh, on yours, yeah, maybe you don't have as wide a screen. And there's Bjorn chatting hi back. Okay, so I think that I can just close in the bottom right. You can close the chat bar, and I think that we can set that. So let's try this here. Let's go components. Let's see what of our options, configuration, server load 8% maximum time to chat. Just look to see. Chat box is open, auto mode. Okay. Resizable, auto close pop-ups. Let's just see where we can just make that automatically closed. Starting public chat status, close. Okay. So let's save that. Let's refresh. Okay, it looks like it's staying closed. All right, so now I can send a message here. Hi, Tim1. How are you today? Now, Tim1 is not logged in. I can hit enter, sends a message to Tim1, and then I believe what happens is I will receive an email over on this side here. Let's just see. Okay, I've got my emails that I've been added. And maybe I should, let's open up another browser window here. Separate Chrome. I think I've got that here. I load into here. And then we'll go to J5, basic Joomla. And then I will go and I will log in as Tim2. Let's just double check to make sure that username. Users manage. Username Tim. Oh, there's a space in there. Okay. Tim2. And we'll log in. Great. I have to go down and do the privacy thing and agree. Yes. Save. That lets me go to private message. And that's me there. Now, why can I, let me just get this cleared down here. Read chat here. I see these two here. Send this and go reply to there. Message sent to Tim1. Oh, not Tim2. Is that what I did? Oh my goodness. All right. Well, let's go back here. Oh, there you go. Yeah, because I've got that chat there from Tim2. Okay. I did my test to the wrong test. To the wrong Tim. All right. I go reply. And I get a bing. Oh, and so here, okay, so we have sort of a private chat happening here. Now, wonder if I have gotten the email yet telling me let's see. I don't have a notice of a new message. It should have come by email, but we haven't looked at options yet either. So, that's cool that that's working. So now down at the bottom here, let's go up to here in the private message. We have this option. We do an emoji. Great. So let's do a laughing emoji. And this I can add a file. Let's choose a file. Let's use a tiny one. Let's do this. Let's do the PDF for this program. And do I have to click upload? Oh, there we go. Oh, size is too big. That makes sense. Choose a file. Let's do this little one here. It's a zip file. Let's see. File sent successfully. Okay, now if I change screens, oh, there's my new file. I sent it. Nice. And we can save the conversation to a text file. Very cool. We can delete the conversation. or we can open in a chat box. Oh, and here we go. And in the chat box, we have the same options. Delete the conversation, refresh the chat, conversation history. Oh, we can cut down how long the conversation has been. That's interesting. And we can have a little type back here. So let's see. Thanks for the file. So this is a very handy way to just be texting people on the site here. Let's go back. There's the file sent. So that one was not downloaded. Okay, I might have messed that up because I sent the PDF that was too big. And Gudik says hi, Tim, too. Oh, there you go, because I'm showing online. Right. Excellent. Because if I click here, there's Gudik, there's J5 Core CyberSalt. Oh, me, Tim, too. Me, Tim, too. All right, so we do have this direct messaging thing. Let's go back into the menu item. Menu blog. That's at the top. What are our options? Message settings. Number of loading messages. Show the search field, yes. Hide the chat sidebar. If enabled, the sidebar of the real-time chat will be hidden on this page view. Okay. Auto full screen on mobile. If enabled, the private message chat will be shown full screen by default when mobile devices are detected. Auto open chat pop-ups. If enabled, when you receive new messages from a user other than the active one in private messaging, a chat pop-up will open up automatically. Otherwise, an envelope indicator of new messages will be displayed in the user list. Limit the number of users. If enabled, it's possible to limit the max number of registered users listed in the private messaging. This option could be useful if your website has thousands of registered users and private messaging page loads slowly. Maximum number of users if you turn that on. Okay. Permission settings. Okay, who can use this? It's private. You have to be logged in. So I guess we don't have public in here. Public is not one of the offered, but you could limit this just to be used by certain people, certain groups. And then this is just core. And I think that that's everything. Now, why don't we, let me just find the window here. Over here, J4, JChatSocial, Store J extensions. And we're going to go to here. All right. Now this is the PDF for JChatSocial. It's really good documentation. There are a lot of pages. And let's see here. Page, I don't know what page numbers are not showing on here. This is because convert edit PDF forms. Okay. I think I might want to open this in something else. Let's see. I had this open the other day and I had page numbers showing down here. Let's see. There we go. Here's the page, private messaging. We won't struggle. Let's see. Bjorn says not many options. Yeah, so let's just increase the view here. not what I was looking at in PDF yesterday. I think it opened up in the browser. JChatSocial integrates private messaging client feature to exchange messages between registered users to the site and even when they're offline. They'll be notified by an email when new messages have been delivered. Thus, logging into the site, they will be able to answer. Okay, list of registered users in search field. Okay, got that. There's your message list. Create a menu link to JChatSocial private messaging view. Okay, compose and send. Open the chat box for this conversation. And then click in the option button to go directly to private messaging. Interesting. All right, so let's look at our over here. If we click here, we have the gear, and I think I probably am in the way of this right now, right? So let's go to turn off the webcam. And in our gear down here, we have the option to activate chat, turn off chat, do not disturb, reset chat box's position. Oh, not put that over here. Okay. Private messaging, which is where we at here. Oh, okay. Oh, you get to it there. Okay. Let's close that. System notifications on and off, private sounds on and off, public sounds, avatar. You can choose a file for your avatar. Okay. And yeah, so you've got that here. All right. And we have a button here. Thanks for the file. This one, the sent file from Tim2, is not showing here. Yeah, it's not many options, but it is pretty basic. I'm just curious as to why I'm not getting getting emails to those. Let's go close. Let's go users. Manage. What did I send them to? Tim? That's one at cybersalt.com. Yeah. I wonder if you get emails but when you're not online. So this is Tim2. Let's go here. And then let's go to login, log out. And we're logged out. I'll go back here and refresh. Okay. I am wondering if you get an email for this next chat. I should also check in spam. Okay, so it's not in spam. No email. Okay. I wonder why that is. Oh, you know what? This Joomla site might not be set up for email. That might not even be working. Let's go to global configuration, server, send test mail. Oh, no, it's working. Oh, but where does it go? Email is sent to admin. This might not be set up well for email. I don't even know where this test message would go. All right. Well, yeah, so there is private messaging with this. And it seems to be not too bad for keeping track of messages. It's there. It functions. I think, we get pretty spoiled with our instant messenger apps like WhatsApp or that we use. But it's there. And the chat is there for working when people log on. So that's a neat feature. I didn't know that that was there. I wonder if I put this on a site that was slightly different. I'm just not convinced that the mails are actually going out. I don't know if I'll put this chat. The other thing that we've not looked at on here, and that is if we go to menus, main menu blog, go new, and of the type, there's also tickets management, which I don't know if we looked at this either. And so let's just try this. Who can manage them? Just that. Save and close. Let's refresh up here. Click on tickets. I don't think we have any tickets. And I think that this comes from us setting up tickets at to get support, to use the window as is to set up a tech support thing aspect of this, which I have never looked at. Either integrated ticketing system. I don't think we looked at that. So delete ticket. Where are the ticket customers? I suppose I could find the that PDF, and we could look at the ticketing system too. Chat users. And let's just scroll down here. Video conferencing. Live streaming. Video chat media recording. I don't think that we've done much for that either. Ticketing and live stream. You can use JChatSocial as a live support tool. Oh, there's a ticketing and live support tab. All right. So we go to Home, Components, Configuration, Ticketing and live support. Oh, live support mode. No. Live support. Let's see. You can activate the live support mode choosing user groups that will be considered as administrators offering live support to customers. In this way, all users that don't belong to selected groups will be able to use chat to talk only with users that belong to the selected groups considered as chat admins. On the contrary, users that belong to selected groups will see all the users inside chat users list to be able to offer live support to everyone that visits your site. All right, well, let's make this available. Let's try this here. end up, no, I've not set up this in a very refined way. Bjorn says it's a high risk of bandwidth misusage in the public chat. Yeah, if you have the chat for public, yeah. Now, if we set that so it's only available when people are logged in, that would certainly address that. Okay, so if I refresh, let's go back here to log in me. Oh, and over here in the private chat, okay, let's close this here. Maybe I'll just refresh this here. Refresh this window. Click here to start the chat. Now, okay, now with this open, the only thing I see is chat here. Okay, and this is what my messages were before. I can refresh the chat. Yeah, no need for login if you set new nickname. Yeah. So if I go, hi, I need some help, and go up to here, and there's the chat here. Great. Let's go back and read a bit more about this tickets here. Okay. Choose a user, enable offline message. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, so no agents currently online. Please send a message at info@mydomain and you'll be contacted soon. Okay. As a final comment setting, you'll be probably interested to activate also the guest support to be able to let all visitors to your site use the chat and talk with you as soon as landing on your site. Using the more advanced form activation feature, you may choose to force a visitor to fill out a simple form to join the chat. For example, specifying email address and placing a question. All right. Oh, okay, so we had guest user settings, so we can say enable guest users or form activation. Okay. You can do even more about the live support features, take full advantage. So here's, we place a text for offline message. Enable a tickets form showed in the chat when no agents are available. Enable email notifications sent every time a new ticket is submitted. All right. Here's some screenshots. Oh, you can type some things, submit ticket. And then we get the ticket list and management that we looked at. And here we saw you could set up some predefined answers. Okay. So there's Bjorn back. Hi from the new Nick. Yeah, okay, got that. Yes. Hello. Can close that. Now there's Fescue there. Or Fasuk. I think what we want to do is go back and auto open. If enabled, when a customer clicks on Start Chat Balloon, the random agent chat will be open automatically. Okay, default auto message. Predefined answers. If enabled, the live support mode will apply to the public chat too. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, here we go. Enable tickets form. Enable tickets form always visible. Yes. I think we did see that before in our other live stream, Ivor, that you could put in ChatGPT. I think one of the things that we saw, you could talk to ChatGPT about anything. So I think that you could, but I don't think that there was anything. There's not yet an AI bot, although I think if we look back on that live stream, there may have been some way that we could get some training in there. Oh, here's, even though this is ticketing and live support, private message email notification must be sent to users when they're offline, and a private message is delivered by other users. That's maybe we're not getting it. Okay. Okay. Let's do this here. Yeah, Notebook LM as backend, perhaps. Yeah, that would be. Yeah, I don't think it all depends on what they have for sources. I think that this, when we looked at this the last time, they only had ChatGPT. But let's do this here. And let's refresh here. So if I click here, let's see, I send that message. Want to see how to do a ticket. Yeah. Okay. Predefined answers down on the bottom here when we're texting. Okay. Oh. I don't see that I have the option yet here to do. I wonder if I need to log out. Let's log out. Let's log in. Okay, now I think this is what got me last time having. I think there's something strange in the browser to do, probably with the sessions of being logged out and logged in. Yeah, that's what happened before. I logged out and logged in, and there's a struggle there. So I think what I did was this. I closed this, I closed that. I refreshed that. That's not, oh, that loaded quickly. Okay. And if I go to the front end, that loaded quick. I log in. Yeah. Oh, look on the right hand side now. Look, we've got name, email. So let's say Tim. Let's do something even different. Tim 22 at gmail.com. And I say, I need some help. I can submit a ticket. Ivor says, does not seem that Notebook LM has an API. All right. So that with me logging in, not logged in, just goes for a chat. And I have it, I guess, set up so that you have to put in some information. Excuse me, everybody. My nose is just starting to run. I might be coming down with something. I'm just starting to feel it. All right. So, well, let's log in here. Oh, I don't have a pass key. No, cancel. Log in. All right, now logged in. Private chat is there. Shows everybody who's happens to be online right now. How long they've been online. If I go to tickets, there's the ticket just created. Thank you. My wife just brought me a tea. And so now I can close this private message here. I can click on the one here. And there's the message. I need some help. And I can reply to that ticket. And I can pose a reply here. Interesting. Okay. And let's just see here. Yes, I can help you. And we're using JCE editor, ticket answered. Now at the bottom here, let's see, reply ticket. And let's see what's happening here. It's still open, and there's the reply. So if I go down here, oh, and then here at the link at the top here, it says send us a ticket. But I still have this private chat open here. And I just don't know where those mails are going for basic Joomla. Yeah, oh, you guys can't see this. My wife brought me some tea. In the Joomla mug. Let's turn that off here. All right, so send us a ticket. Oh, that's because I'm not logged in here. Log in, log in. Let's go. This was Tim2. And the password. No, now we can do private chat. Send us a ticket. Does this make a new ticket? Let's submit that. So we also have chat here. Let's go back here. And let's go to tickets. Oh, that created a new ticket. Does this make a new ticket? Yes, it does. Now, so you would think, oh, here's why. I put in tim22 at gmail.com. Dish. No wonder. That's for that one. I need some help. Tim2 at service. User not logged. Record in editing by another administrator. Okay. See that this would take a little bit of practice setting up. I like that the features here. I like that someone could open a ticket. I don't know who this other Tim number 2, Tim 2. Record in editing by another administrator. I don't know who the other administrator is. I don't think this is me here, is it? Oh, I've got the ticket open here. Oh. Look, I can change this. I can save that. Original one. Yes, I can help you. I can close, save and close. Now I can go and refresh this page. Email address has changed. I can open that. It shows that I already have a reply here, though. Is this? But that's not to that ticket. That was a reply to this ticket. Interesting. I think this is just something different that requires some mental work to get used to it. Because this is the, did it make a new ticket? Yes, it made a new ticket. And then we reply to the ticket. And then we can close. Close to get out of this. We have 2 replies. Okay. So as we see here with the settings I have for the private chat, this is everyone who is on the site. Everyone is on the site. But back here, I can only see the chat with the support. Now, how to see... Oh, here we go. Now we've got something that we can look at here. Let me just bring this email in over here. And there's the ticket. Tim 2. Does this make a new ticket? It came from the site. It came to tim2 at cybersalt.com. Yeah, and I believe I have another. Yes, it made a new ticket. Here's the conversation because this ended up going to Tim2. All right, so they're going to the same address. Although Tim2 got this new ticket, the question. All right, and this is the text back and forth. All right. I don't know why I didn't get the first one, but all right. I mean, this has potential to be used on on a on a site, a simple thing. If you had a club and asked when people logged in, they could send a ticket or ask a question. You would maybe hopefully get notification. Hard to say. You have to play around with more of an official setup, I think. It's cool that this is all part of the same extension, though. All right, so Let's see. Specify the text of the predefined message sent by the random agent to the customer. Okay. If enabled, when a customer clicks on the Start Chat balloon, a random agent chat box will be opened, automatically showing the predefined message, start conversation. Okay. Hi. This is a predefined message. Let's try that. And let's go refresh. Let's log this person out. Yeah, it's got a. I feel like it's one of those things you'd have to sort of that you just have to figure out how it works. All right, so if I go refresh, whoops, if I refresh this here, and now I go send us a ticket. The predefined message did not just open up. So let's see here. If enabled, when a customer clicks on the Start Chat balloon, a random agent box will be shown. Start Chat balloon. Oh, I don't do that here. I want to do that here. Let's just bring this up here. Oh, there we go. All right, so down in the bottom right. Okay, so let's refresh. We've got this here. Now refresh. Okay, so if I so it's down it says here, click here to open and start the chat window now. And then this opens up. Now you can have private chat on the side, which is the only other user on the site to do private chat, even though you're not logged in. That's interesting because it's only showing the super user. Okay. Yeah, so if I go here and say, hi, can I open a ticket? I can go to here and I can go to there. I just got a message. Oh, and here's me bad. Can I open a ticket? And I can say yes. Yes, you can. All right. And I go back here and we get the text there. That's good. I can give instructions. Name, email, message. Okay, good. And could just submit that. I could put in a name and email and that. Now, if I'm logged in, now the name here is Tim2. If I go to the other page here and refresh, oh, I can see everybody that is, because I'm logged in, I can see everybody who has a profile in the site. Good. Private chat. Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong window here. J5 core. Okay. Here's refresh the chat with tube. No, because that seems to have changed here. I close this. I go chat. Hello. Did my name change? Oftentimes I feel that when I'm looking at people's extensions that I somehow mess up just because I don't understand them or I'm going too fast. So I think this is the case. Oh, look. Yes, my name changed. But it did. It actually changed. The old chat disappeared. Okay. Conversation history, 1 week. Oh, and here's my history for the whole that I've done. Interesting. All right. So if I go here, okay, that's the other one there. So here I have the option to send a ticket. My name and email are all in there. A third ticket. And I will submit that. Oh, now over here, I did get this email. User MeBad has started a new chat conversation with user J5 Cybersalt. Cool. Text message being delivered from you. MeBad is, hi, can I open a ticket? All right. And I also have this reply to ticket. Apply to ticket number 2. I was making a third ticket, but it looks like it's kept it as the same. All right, let's check out these tickets here. Oh. So ticket number 2. Yes, I can help you. I need some help. Oh, that's all right. Let's go back. So ticket number 1. Oh, so somehow by doing the ticket there, it didn't make a new ticket. It kept talking in the current one. So I can say that was that went to the same, that went to ticket 2. I reply to that. Yeah, same user. I just thought that even though it was the same user, by send us a ticket, it would have created a new ticket. But apparently that's not the case. Now, if I go here and save and close that ticket, let's just close both of those tickets. Now I go back here and this should make a new ticket and do 3 because I think if the others are closed, we'll see what happens. Ah, so we did. So it looks like you only have 1 ticket at a time open. Oh, and it's ticket number 1. Oh, these numbers. Oh, there's IDs, but these ticket numbers. Okay. So I got a notification of a new ticket. Tim 2. This should make a new ticket, yeah. And that was my reply. So this is still going to Tim 2. So I'm not seeing the replies in my. This is the reply to the ticket. All right. And it says reply to ticket number 3 here, but in the list it keeps showing the number, shows 1, 2, 3. Huh. Okay. If we sort by ID, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm going to mention that. I'll just show that to him because I think obviously that ticket, that this is showing a hierarchy of what's first. I'll make a little video just to show him that. That's a little goofy thing there. But that's pretty interesting. So I can still go just into here and go in and see the ticket. Well, let's get playing around with some automatic predefined answers. Where's this? When using JChatSocial as a live support tool, you can enter a list of predefined answers to be used as reply to common questions of your visitors. In this way, you can avoid typing the same messages over and over again. This functionality is reserved to chat admins. So to use it, you must be logged in as a chat admin in the front end to offer live support. To add a new answer, just type in the special configuration field. Configuration field, okay. Configuration, is that down at the bottom? Let's go to tickets. Let's cancel. I wonder where we find that. Or is it in the back end? Ticketing and live support. Oh, enable predefined answers. You can enter a list of predefined answers to be used as a common reply. Write a text and click enter. Okay. Yes, let's see. Yes, membership. The forum is free. Hit enter. Oh, okay. Oh, we got a little bit of a dark mode thing happening here. Okay. Yes, membership and answers free. I'm sorry, I cannot offer support for that extension. All right. So we save that. Let's go to light mode. Here's our predefined answers. Good. We go back here. Let's go into this here. And I think it must be chat that I'm looking for here, right? Chat with Tim 2. Right here. Oh, if I click there, there's my predefined answers. Okay. Does this get captured for a predefined answer? That's what I'm wondering. If I type that, go here and refresh. No, it didn't. All right. But here's what my chat back went. It's a bit bigger. Okay. All right. And now, that's cool. Email addresses for new tickets. Let's go tim@cybersolve.com. Put that in there. That's new notifications. That's a new ticket. Custom body for the email. Yeah, from name if different. Okay. We can put an offline message on there. Okay. So if we go to the front end here to the ticket manager and we go cancel and we'll just refresh that and we go to 3 here. It doesn't have our old, doesn't have the chat that's happening here. Okay. But we do have predefined answers there. That's pretty good. Okay. What happens if we put a URL in here? Send that. Oh, it is a hot link. That's nice. So if we go here, let's go down to our predefined answers. Please post your question. Yeah, please. This is our. Whoops. Oh, look at that. By hitting backspace, you can edit that. This is our homepage. Okay. Save. Ticket manager. Refresh the page. Now that did not turn into a link, so you have to have HTTPS. Okay. Well, let's go back and see what else we have here. Predefined answers, those are all in there. Okay. Just click that little arrow we saw on our pen. Yeah. This is the ChatGPT. We'll look at that in a second. We'll just refamiliarize ourselves with that again. Applies history. Can export the ticket. Once the ticket form has been enabled, it will be available automatically in the chat as shown in the picture below. Every time no agents are online, the chat users list is empty. Enable manage guest users. While choosing public, every visitor will be able to join the chat automatically. Skype chat rooms and public chat. Interesting. Skype bridge for video call. I wonder what will happen to this because Skype is going away at the end of this month, beginning of May. So I actually just took Skype off my computer yesterday. I did log into Microsoft Teams, or I did click at the top where it says Skype and start using Teams, and it did move everything over. So hopefully that's okay. So let's try the offline thing here. Auto open agent chat. If enabled, when a customer clicks on the start balloon, a random agent chat box will be open. Okay, yes. Enable offline message. Right now. Okay. Let's save that. Let's go to here. Let's go to log out. Let's go to the other page here and refresh. Oh, there's the chat there. I am offline right now. So I could say I'm offline right now. If you want to, if you need some help, go ahead. All right. Speaker. Yeah. All right. You are offline. All right. We submit the ticket. Ticket sent to our agent. We go back here. Oh, now let's see. This is where we're going to get messed up on the login probably, right? Yeah. Just close this. Now we know what to do. J5. That will come up quick. We'll go to the home page. Log in. There's the chat to everybody that's visiting the site. Wonder if that means that you could just, if someone was on your page, you could just start talking to someone. It would pop up the window. That would be maybe freak them out. For emails, I've got. All right. Now here's the email I got for that one. Sent to me and also sent to the person that got it. You are offline. So I've got that. Be handy to have a link to just go right to the front end to manage that. I could go to tickets. Oh, let's see. I bet you I know what's going to happen here. Oh, that was ticket 3. You are offline. Is that my 3rd ticket? Tim22, Tim22 at cyberswap.com. I need some help. Did I only have 2 tickets? I thought I had 3. I wonder what happened to that, because I'm pretty sure this should, oh, that was the first message. Oh, okay. So you really can only have 1 ticket open per person. If they submit, if the same person logs in and submits something, it just gets added, doesn't get separate. I think I'll show him that too. Let me just make a note here. And only 1 ticket. Yeah, I'll drop him a note about that too. But I can send that quick. Okay. Cool. Now I had set the time for these to be an hour. It's 45 minutes since Gudik was on. This is just information to me too. If we go to components, JChatSocial, configuration. Enable offline message. That was just for the tickets, right? I think there was somewhere here. It's nice that all these tool tips you can mouse over and read. Enabled, the live support mode will apply to public chat too. Oh, if you want to use the app as a live support tool for the private chat, but as a normal community chat for the public, you can turn this option off. Okay, so we do that. There we go. And refresh. That's just showing private chat. Oh, public chat is up here at the top. Oh, I see. I don't think I have public chat over here, do I? Oh, there we go. Yeah, there's public chat up there. Didn't even see that up there. So I can still see everyone if I want to do a private chat with them. Of course, I would have to have their email in there. No, I guess that would show up on their page if they're still open. Okay. All right, well, let's just scroll down here and double check what's going on with ChatGPT on here. Welcome to the future of communication. Cutting edge chat software utilizes advanced artificial intelligence. With JChatSocial Enterprise, it would be possible to chat with an automated bot built with ChatGPT that appear in the users list. Oh, this option allows to instruct ChatGPT to know the answers in the topic discussed. Enter a text that represents the incipit of the conversation between a user and the AI. For example, include information about your site, including the URL, services that you offer to customers. GPT will then be able to know how to answer user questions about your bots and services. Conversation, learn about services. Okay. Ah, okay. Putting in the Chat GPT AP. Okay. Pretty sure that we looked at this. I don't think we'll look at it today, but ChatGPT squished right in the tickets. And okay, ChatGPT. Oh, I don't know. They made it pretty easy to find the key. Let's see here. Log in. Continue with Google. Okay. That's all right. Let's make a new secret key. Name optional. Chat. J social test. All right. And of course, I'm just going to bump over to here, create secret account. Copy that key. Done. And now I'm going to go to back to camera. There. Let's turn on my webcam so people know stuff is happening here. And I know to fix my hair. Oh my goodness, that's not very great. And now let's go to see where we're at here. Oh, I think we must have to be in here. Chat GPT. Yes. Yes. Learn services about HTTPS www. Let's do cybersalt.com. Okay. And ChatGPT API we'll put in there. We'll use 4.0. Enter the name of a custom ChatGPT generator model that you have instructed and pre-trained. Platform.openai.com fine-tune. Platform.openai.fine-tune. I'm sure I've spelled that wrong, so let's just see. Platform.openai.com/fine-tune. Openai.com. Create a fine-tuning job. Ivory, you mean enterprise version, like you're paying? Is that what you mean? Let's try this one here. Yeah, add a JSON L file to use for training. By providing the file, you confirm that you have the rights to the data. So we have to put the data up there. Okay. So we put this, so it looks like somehow we have to put our data together to train this model. Okay. Okay, there's a bunch of stuff to check out here. So it looks like you could do something to train information on here in this chat. I'm not going to. All right, let's see what pictures do we have here? Activate and configure ChatGPT as follow instructions. Enable ChatGPT bot. Oh, it uses the option, the bot in the users list. Okay, it's always online. So there it is, chat bot. Let's see what it says. Oh, now look at that. CyberSalt offers Joomla management services. They provide a range of services. Great. What is the URL for that info? Visit their website, navigate their services section, or contact them directly. That's true. Okay. Okay. Help with my .ht access file. All right, let's see if it finds something on there. So this looks like it's using some general knowledge. Oh yeah. If you need help with your .ht access file, power redirects. Oh, so this is just giving general information saying to contact. So it's not, I thought that maybe it might look for videos that I have embedded on the site that have that. What YouTube videos on the site? Let's see. See, well, I think without training this language, oh, see, now this getting this from my cybersalt.org site. But that's not what I told it to. Did I type cybersalt? Yeah, so This is going to be very generic. Yeah, see, they got cybersalt.com/fun stuff. That's not accurate. Yeah, so this is interacting with it, but it is not. Let's tell it. Write me an article about dogs. Let's see what it does. This is so it's sort of interacting, but it needs a trained language model. You almost need, I would love to be able to have something spider my site and collect all the information. Of course, that's probably what that is. And look, it actually did use ChatGPT to write an article about a dog. Yeah, it needs training. Ivor has mindstudio.ai. Copy. Mind Studios professionals want to dramatically improve their productivity. Yeah, there's so many different versions of AI that are available now. I really like ClickUp. They have AI, but it's like $20 a month to add most of these to do the professional version to do more. So that is interesting. What are these guys' pricing? Mind Studio Community, 10,000 free runs per month. Oh, there's price for tokens. Okay, command. Yeah, DeepSeek. 55 cents per million tokens. No, that's not too bad. Yeah, most are free to use. Interesting. ChatGPT 4 2.50 for a million tokens. 75 for a million tokens on ChatGPT 4.5. Derek says maybe it's his age, but does anyone trust chatbots at this point? I try to use them, but have 10% success at getting useful information for an email the next day. Yes, I've been frustrated with a bunch. I know of one. I don't know the name of the company. Probably wouldn't want to use it here, anyways. To be fair to them, but when their support is offline, they have a chat, an AI chat, but it doesn't do. It's not specific. So, like I said, I'm in their support chat, and I said, "Hey, I need to unlock a domain. How do I do that on your system?" And they say, "Oh, yes, you should contact the support department for the company to do that." And I'm like, "This is the support company." Yeah. So, I agree, Derek. Chat bots. There used to be a whole tree of path of knowledge you could send them through. Um, I think the ones that the people right now, the people have got the big money and that they are trained on their systems, it will then um, it will probably be pretty good. But yeah, for smaller sites like this, not really. This is a neat text to speech. Probably need to see. Let's see what. Okay, and that video that Ivor just shared is here. skip this. Wow. 3 hours and 50 minutes. Okay, so like bro deserves a place in heaven for this alone. Well, that's not how you get there, but this person's appreciative. So yeah, okay. There's a video for you guys to check out to do that. Learning to make chat agents. Yeah. And I think that the 3 hours and 50 minutes, that's probably pretty it just shows he does some, it looks like he does some building. Yeah. All right. Well, let me just turn this off so that that is not a problem on the site. I'm going to leave everything else the way that it is. A few more emails in here to check out. Even after all these crazy emails, I only have 24 in my inbox. So why don't we just wrap up with our time here and see if there's any new extensions for us to check out. Let's go install extensions, browse. Oh, and delete my key. Yeah, that's true. I could do that. I mean, nobody saw it, but it's probably good. I can't ever see it anyways. Let's see, was it ever used? It says never used, but that's probably delayed. Yeah, I'll just delete it just for tidy's sake too. Yeah, the beginning of it was missing. I saw that when I pasted that, but maybe I didn't paste it. Anyways, I'll remove it just the same, just to keep things tidy here. Okay, install from the web. Oh, by the way, just upcoming, looking at calendars here. Next week is the 9th of April. I will do a live stream. Then the 10th, I'm traveling. And then so I'll be at JDay USA the last week of April, the last full week. So there will not be a live stream on 16/23. And there might be, I think on the 30th, I'm back, although we'll see because I get back on the 29th from JDay USA. So we will see. So I think we might end up only missing two Wash and Work live streams. Yeah, thanks, Vinny. Vinny, are you going to JDay USA? Remind me. Are you going to be there? Are we going to meet? Oh, you were not. Okay, that's too bad. Yeah. I'm. Oh, things came up. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking forward to going and getting all ready for my attempt to get through customs. So, but just make sure everything's all together. But only going there for a week, so we will see. All right, default newest first. JO Smart Search. JO. Oh, we got a bunch of JOs here. Oh, you'll vouch for me? Okay. I'll get them to message you from Facebook. All right, let's check this out here. And let's close a few of these things here. Jewel, oh, we've seen Jewel Osman. has 13 other extensions. And this one here, a highly customizable, user-friendly module designed to enhance the search experience on your website. With its sleek design and advanced functionality, this module seamlessly integrates with Joomla's built-in smart search feature to provide a modern, intuitive search interface. Oh, that could be interesting. Let's see the demo. Here it is. How to install it. Yeah, download it. Notification bar. All right. A center pop-up that locks scrolling for focus search. And here we go. Let's see here. Here's the search up here. Search at the top. Okay. Let's search for Joomla. Yeah, that's the smart search. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Oh, that's a very nice view. Advanced. That's nice formatting. I like that. Could be just for his template, though. It's probably worth looking at. I'm going to save that, bookmark it. There we go. I've got this down here. New task, screenshot, bookmark this page. We will go here and we're going to go Cybersalt, basic Joomla, maintenance money, video ideas. Yeah, I'll save that in there. Maintenance money, video ideas. Yeah, nice. Oh, that might be a good find. Visitor counter. Another free one. Let's just do the demo. 10 Joomla modules. Let's see where it is. Oh, there you go. Visitor counter, visitor statistics. Today, yesterday, this week. Recent visits. Visitor by country. Oh, interesting. And what is that? Powerful modular versatile Joomla extension designed to track and display visitor statistics on your website. It provides detailed insights. Whether you want to showcase your site's popularity or analyze visitor trends, this module delivers a comprehensive solution with minimal configuration. Key features. Okay. All right. Oh, maybe he's got enough of these. Maybe we'll have to do a picnic through his extensions too. So I am going to add that as well. Might be a fun one just to have on a site. Okay. YouTube chapters. When is this new here? Oh, YouTube chapters. Video chapters break up YouTube videos into sections. It adds info and context to each portion of the video that you easily rewatch different parts of the video. Oh, what is this? Joomsun. Date added March 29th. Other extensions. Content. Close tab warnings. CSV import. Yeah, it's got a bunch here. But let's go to here. And let's go to demo. Oh, look at that. So, and I have someone that is doing these for my site. So basically, you have your video. So in YouTube, for those of you that may not know, in the video description, if you go 000000:00, that's always the beginning of the video. Then you can have chapters, and you put the timestamp, and basically they provide lines along the bottom. So, for instance, if I go Control H to that one we were just at, where was that? This video here. You'll notice. Okay, let's just skip past the skip here. You'll notice just along here as I mouse along, there's just some little boxes down there. These are chapters, and you can skip, and there's the Anatomy of an AI Agent is the title, and they are as a result of these timestamps. 00 is always the first one. So it looks like this. You can, let's see, YouTube video ID of the YouTube video, for example. If the link to the video is that, then the ID is this. Okay, yeah. Chapter. Each line is a chapter. The structure of each chapter is time, space, chapter, caption. Time, space, yeah. Chapter, caption, yeah. The example, how to write these chapters. And here's the demo. But look, if you do this. Oh. I don't have the sound on. But you can skip to the part that's in there. Interesting. Right on your site. The module. Put in the background color. Oh, wow. After installing, this module works on 3.5. New YouTube chat. Okay, it's a module. New YouTube chapter to start. So you can have a module for every video. Wow. Wow, that's pretty cool. I think I would have preferred a plugin because I don't want to have a module for 500 videos. I want 500 modules. But that is still very cool. That's cool. I'm going to have to revisit that one too. Oh my goodness, this is like going into a candy store. You want to have all the candies. A Joomla Catcha plugin for BrainForge. They have a lot of extensions. Yeah, CAPTCHA has become sort of one of those pain points for us with web pages. So it's interesting that there's different things being put out for it. And you are here, mod, the cookies needed. Something's not quite right there. But, all right, another CAPTCHA solution. Joe header footer override. Well, let's check that out. Free as well. Okay, you can seamlessly remove or replace headers and footers with custom module positions, providing unparalleled flexibility. Headers, use the class.container header, remove the Cassiopeia header. Header selectors. Use the IDs hash SP top bar and SP header to completely remove the Helix Ultimate header. Oh, so it's getting rid of some things that are built in. Front end. Check the custom front end demo. So that's a custom header. Okay. Interesting. CSV2 content. From Joomla. Fastest way to import a series of articles from a CSV file. Make sure your CSV contains the following fields: title, intro, article, full, optional fields, alias, category, da. So a tool for importing things. Position center. Splitter. Another free one. Powerful Joomla 5 module designed to enhance your website's flexibility. Sometimes the design requires multiple side-by-side positions, but the template only has one in that area. This module solves this challenge by allowing you to split a single module position into multiple customizable columns. Let's see. Oh, so he's putting classes inside of a module. Okay, so if you want some things side by side in a module on your site, in one module position, but you want something side by side, you can split it. Design requires multiple side by side positions. Template only has one. This module solves the challenge by allowing you to split a single module position into multiple customizable columns. Each column can hold either Joomla module or custom HTML content, give you complete control over the layout and functionality of your site with support for responsive Bootstrap classes. So it looked like this is what's happening here. This top position is maybe being split. Very, very interesting. AA iframe embed. What are we up to here? March 31st. Oh, there's been a bunch. Okay, so this is just for putting an iframe in. If a site allows it to appear in an iframe, you could do that. Auto article. All right, well, excuse me. Another free one. Powerful Joomla plugin designed to streamline content creation by leveraging the capabilities of OpenAI's advanced language model. This plugin, Joomla administrators and content creators can generate high-quality articles directly within the Joomla editor, saving time and money while maintaining creativity and flexibility. Okay. And that is free as well. Put in your API key, model, do your prompt, articles generating, and then you get it. Google consent. Consent mode version 2 cookies Joomla plugin. demo, and it's going to appear at the bottom. We develops. It didn't pop up, but I do have Brave on here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, Brave blocked it. But you can see it's down below. It's got transparent background, but okay. Joe Fun Capture. CAPTCHA. Oh, let's see what's fun here. Let's see here. That's a week ago. He's being busy. Let me just put that there. He's being busy making stuff. Oh, I lost him. 13 extensions, and a bunch of them are in the last in March. Let's see the demo. Oh, let's play tic-tac-toe. You have to beat at tic-tac-toe to send a message? If the computer beats you, so you actually have to win a tic-tac-toe. Okay. Does timing checks. Okay. Well, that's an interesting concept. Let's see here. Put X on there. Yeah. He's doing O. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to block there. I'm going to block there. Oh, I accidentally won. I didn't mean to. All right. I'm going to go there. There. Not very good. I'm going to go there. Oh, man. I've made it so. Oh, makes it pretty easy to win. All right. That's different. ChatGPT Assistant Pro. Oh, Christopher Mavros. Huh. I like his stuff. Convenient website search, adaptable knowledge base, and other deeply integrated tools. Communication with your visitors will reshape forever. Let's go here. It's a powerful AI-driven virtual assistant for Joomla designed to enhance user interaction on your website. With its seamless integration, the assistant can provide instant responses. The extension includes a front-end chat module, which smoothly slides up from the bottom. Built with flexibility in mind, the ChatGPT Assistant Pro supports structured knowledge bases generated from Joomla articles, forum posts, and more. This allows you to create intelligent context-aware responses. The extension leverages OpenAI's powerful Assistant API to ensure natural and accurate conversations. Whether you're providing customer support, guiding users through your site, or enhancing engagement, ChatGPT Assistant Pro transforms your website into a smarter, more interactive thing. Interactive experience. Feel free for more information. Visit our download page. Here's a demo here. Single assistant. What extensions do you have? And it's thinking. Let's see what it says. Here's some Joomla extensions. Oh, look at that. What are their costs? I mean, that was a very specific answer. For ChatGPT Assistant Pro, you can visit the download page for pricing more information. Okay, so this looks like a generic one. I wonder how much he's trained on here. Let's log into admin. He's got an admin here. Demo and demo. All right. Demo. Components. Dashboard. All right. Enter the open API key. Prepare your assistance. All right. This is interesting. Name Nina, subscription helper. Navigator Ned, user guide expert. Function smart search for URL. Function NS Pro subscribe. Function. Okay. So we've got. Okay, so obviously we can't edit this. He's got that closed off. That's right. Threads. Also, here's my question here. Someone asked this. That was me, right? I'm currently online. Okay, knowledge base. What is the purpose of this extension? Now, I think these are articles, possibly. "109 items." So this is where he's got, all right, vector stores. Don't know what that is. Oh, files. Toolkit. Use your content to generate virtual assistants. Add 1 to 3 items that properly represent your website's goals to use as the context for your automatically generated assistants. All right, suggestion mode. In suggestion mode, content is analyzed and suggestions are generated. Create knowledge base. Select the content to import to your knowledge base. You can include as many items as you wish. You may also repeat the process. Prefer information that doesn't change often, otherwise your knowledge base may get outdated. Oh, so you're selecting articles or menu articles, yeah. All articles. Oh, this is what we were just looking at. Talking about in advanced options, boiled down content. Okay. Here's his other extensions here. Christopher. Let's see. Commercial extensions, ChatGPT Assistant Pro. And let's go to the download page. We'll see what the cost is. 119 euros. Here's screenshots. I think we've had Christopher on here before. I'll contact him, get him to come on and show us this or check it out. This is definitely if it does this, that would be great to be able to offer to your clients. Set this up, put this on there. Very, that's intriguing. That is intriguing. So, Chat Assistant Pro, I'm going to bookmark this page as a watch me work episode, but I'm going to contact Christopher. There we go. See if he'll come on and show that to us. All right, so got a bunch of things down here. Just black sheep. Let's go up here. Black sheep. Plot a lot. I'm sure that Mavros has been on here before, right? I'm sure. No, we've done the free Joomla extensions picnic from Christopher. That's in videos. Well, that was a live stream. I'm sure I've had him on here to show his newsletter program. Oh, maybe I saw him showing it somewhere. Yeah. All right. Plot a lot, providing information. What does it do? Create live charts and places them on your site. You must be able to write SQL queries, which you can do with ChatGPT. Okay. Table of contents. Boy, Joel, he sure loaded up here. Let's just go right to the demo. Dynamic. Oh, they're there. Table of contents. Is it a plugin? Plugin for your articles. Automatically scans article content for headings and generates a structured table of contents. Well, just going to have to do a picnic through his. I think so. So we'll skip his related articles. Yeah. Okay, WT custom menu item. Okay, so let's plugin does not provide a one-click solution. You make up the banner output yourself. Carefully study the sample code below. I don't see the sample code, but maybe it will be at download. Oh, we can just download it. Where is the sample code? That might be missing. Okay, I don't see the code there, but new. Okay, automatic meta description. Joomla plugin automatically generates the meta description from the article title and the first 140 characters of the content. It does not exist. So that would be better than nothing. Good. So, yeah. So if the meta description is empty, you get the first 140 characters. Okay, Joe will visit again. MailChimp for Hika Shop. Okay, plug in there. Joe slideshow, simple modal, crop and resize. In the context of presenting images on the web, cropping and resize are key processes. The cropping. Okay, so I think this is a plugin that lets you crop and resize images. Description isn't totally clear there. It's his only extension, so starting out. Well, let's just bookmark it because we might check that out later on. You never know. All righty. Oh, look at that. 1:30. Woo, wow. That last couple of minutes sure flew by. All right. Let's just see what else we got here. Joe Image Gallery. Chrono Mails. Powerful Joomla email management. March 5th. Free download. Create and send target newsletters with ease. Email layouts, track your email activity. All right. Plugin feature getting a movie. Oh, TMDB. We did see this. I remember that. Yes, I think we did see that. Because I talked about my friend having a page. This is last updated. Oh, date added March 1st. I think we looked at this. I think that catches us up. Plus, look at that. It's 1:30. Well, everybody, we'll wrap it up there. And say goodbye to the butterfly. And I'm not referring to myself. Yeah, so I got some ideas for future streams there. We'll see what happens next week. And yeah, we checked out some things, and I learned a little bit more too there about JChatSocial, so that's good. All right. Well, we'll wrap it up there. I'm gonna go grab some lunch, and I think that will be nice. So, everybody, thanks for your support of the channel. Thanks for hanging out with me on another Wednesday. As usual, I hope that wherever this finds you, be it morning, evening, afternoon, or tomorrow, that you are well. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.